Feeling my way through the darkness, guided by a beating heart. I can't take
Kids ministry, new? Both of you? You guys excited?
Ek weet dis my eerste keer wat ek gaan beleef soos almal sien. Ons sal sien hoe dit so. Gaan 'n challenging wees maar ja.
Well, life will pass me by if I don't open up my eyes.
Loving and learning.
Yeah, loving and learning. And this, it's love and learning. So yeah.
Okay, me, okay, it's my second year here. I love Matala because you meet new people and it's very exciting. And what I've learned today is new people, like, okay, in my group, like different things about each other. It was quite fun so far. And I would like to do sports ministry. Since while there is no netball again, so I would love to do sports ministry because I love kids. Yes. And I have a voice like singing. It's my part there, you know.
Okay. En julle weet mos nou vandag se challenge, het julle dit al gedoen?
Ja.
Okay, vertel my 'n bietjie van vandag se challenge.
Ons het sommige besluit om ons Bybelstudie saam groepie ons kennis met mekaar te doen, maar sommige besluit om met mekaar te praat en mekaar uit te vra. En het ons nogal baie met mekaar geleer. Dat het nogal goed gevoel. Ons voel eintlik baie nader aan mekaar as voor.
Cool.
Wish that I could stay forever.